Well, Wally here. And here comes Bruno. That's like his cue. That's like his cue. Guys, this is the Dutch Army Lowe Alpine Sting rucksack. My absolute favourite day pack, even overnight pack, guys. Let's have a look at it, okay? Okay. I nipped myself. Okay, so what have we got? Just you, Bruno, it's just me. What have we got? Okay, so it is a Dutch DPM camouflage, okay, single compartment rucksack, okay. It is main compartment 60 litres, all right, but you have two rocket pouches that go, one goes on either side, and they are 10 litres each, so it's an 80 litre rucksack, okay. It is short on the back, carries very, very well, okay. It is well made. It's made from heavy duty cordura. I'm going to say cordura type material, okay. It's covered in MOLLE straps, all right. It's a good rucksack. It's a really, really good rucksack, guys. And you can pick these up. I paid £45 for this, right, with the side pouches on eBay, you know, and I think I have this 3 years, maybe 4 years, and I've used this a lot, okay. So what you can see here is my hydration bladder, and this is from my Camelback. I actually sold the bag and kept the bladder. It was a mother load, I think I had. The water's probably been there for about 4 months. Let's have a look at it. I'll put it down and we'll have a little look. Okay. So this is it, guys. Fully adjustable back system, okay. The hip pads are not the most padded in the world I've ever come across, okay, but they're grand, you know, there's not an issue with them. Alright, so when I got this one, there was no sternum strap, but that's fine. Guys, we have a pouch on the lid here. Okay, we have attachment points on the lid as well. We have an internal pouch here as well. Now, here's the thing. I was reading online and somebody was saying that it's Lowe Alpine style Sting. Well, actually, this one has a label on the inside that says it's made by Lowe Alpine. So, and I know Lowe Alpine make military gear. Okay, so guys, we turn it round. We have a super good idea here, which is a really, really, really strong attachment, carrying handle right there, okay, and MOLLE all over the front, okay, compression straps on the sides, okay, on both sides, all right, and we have loops on here for attaching axes and poles and all that sort of stuff, okay. This is not part of it, guys. This is just my first aid kit, okay. So let's zoom in and have a close look. So as you can see, guys, carrying handle here. This is my first aid kit. It's just MOLLE'd on there. Okay. So these are for carrying axes or trekking poles or anything like that, or ski poles, guys. And this is your compression straps on the side. Okay. And this is where you zip on. This is where you attach the rocket pouches. Okay. Now all I have in this, guys, is I have a couple of tarps thrown into this just to sort of fill it out a little bit. And this is the back of it here. Okay. I have to say, it's a comfortable bag. It's a comfortable bag to wear. I have no issues with it whatsoever. I've worn it full. I've worn it with heavy loads. I've done overnight winter camps with all my gear in this, guys, and that video is on my channel. And there's been no issues whatsoever. Say hey, away. Go on, away with you. So the dogs decide that they want to play it, but they always play right here. So what I'll do is, so guys, what I'll do is I'll put the rocket pouches on, okay? Guys, if you don't know what a rocket pouch is, this is it here. So basically, they're a pouch that has two-way zippers on it, okay, that zip this onto the side of the rucksack there, but they also have attachment point here, because these come with their own straps, so you can take these off and wear them as a little day bag. So you can zip them together to make a 20-litre day bag, or I think you can attach these straight onto webbing, the old webbing system. All right, so since I've got it, I've noticed a couple of little different things. This is probably why it was £40, and it's just I have a couple of cracked buckles, okay, which don't actually affect the use of it, but I must eventually get round to replacing them. And that's the rocket pouch on the side there, guys. So, and you just put the other one on the other side here. Now this is, to me, like the carry more range of rucksacks, guys, of small rucksacks and bags and stuff like that that are beloved by bushcrafters. Okay, guys, it's the same. No, I'm not going to say it's the same. It's a similar design, made by a very good company, guys, and you know, who have been making rucksacks and outdoor gear for a long time. If you're after this type of bag, guys, or this size of 60-litre bag, okay, you will not go far wrong with something like this. Okay, you know, the carry more ones can be quite expensive, but for 40 quid, this thing is unbelievable, guys. Apparently the Dutch army are phasing these out as well, so there probably is a fair amount of surplus about there. So if you see one, do yourself a favour and grab one. I might get another one. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay frosty. Stay frosty, the snowman.